The Conjuring 4, Last Rites. Tagline: Evil demands its final offering. Act 1, The Setup. Prologue: The film opens in 1955, where a terrified priest, Father Michael Desrosiers, performs a rushed exorcism in a remote French countryside church. The possessed young woman, Isabelle, speaks in a guttural voice, warning the priest that the rites are incomplete. Despite managing to banish the entity, the priest is left haunted and marked by a curse. The camera lingers on a mysterious relic Isabelle clutches, a blackened crucifix that seems to pulse with an unnatural energy. Present day, 1983. Ed and Lorraine Warren are at a crossroads. After years of combating the supernatural, Ed's health is declining due to a recent heart attack. Lorraine, grappling with her growing spiritual fatigue, questions whether they should continue their work. They consider retirement, believing their time may have passed. However, they receive a desperate plea from Father Carmichael, a Vatican investigator who informs them of disturbing reports from France. A series of violent possessions have broken out in the same region where Father Desrosiers once performed the exorcism. He reveals that the entity, known as Asmodeus, the demon of lust and destruction, is attempting to complete a long-abandoned ritual, the Last Rites of the Damned, a ceremony that would unleash untold evil upon the earth. Reluctantly, the Warrens agree to take one final case, traveling to France to uncover the truth behind the possessions. Act 2, The Investigation. The Warrens arrive in the dilapidated French village of Saint-Benoît, where the locals live in fear. They learn about a string of bizarre deaths and possessions, all linked to the old church where Father Desrosiers performed the exorcism decades ago. The townspeople whisper of a curse tied to the church's relics, particularly the black crucifix. Ed and Lorraine are joined by Father Gabriel Rousseau, a skeptical but kind-hearted local priest. Claire Dubois, a journalist investigating the supernatural resurgence. Sophie, a teenage girl who survived the possession and has eerie knowledge of Asmodeus's plans. As they investigate, Lorraine begins to experience intense visions of the past. She sees glimpses of Father Desrosiers' failed exorcism and the dark ritual performed centuries earlier to summon Asmodeus. The visions grow increasingly violent, revealing that Asmodeus was only partially banished and has been waiting for decades to finish the ritual using the souls of the damned. The Warrens discover that the black crucifix is the key to Asmodeus's power, acting as both a tether and a catalyst for the demon's return. However, destroying it will require them to complete the last rites, a perilous and forbidden ceremony that risks inviting Asmodeus into their world. Act 3, The Hauntings. The demon begins targeting the Warrens and their allies, exploiting their fears and weaknesses. Ed is tormented by visions of his death and haunted by doubts about his ability to protect Lorraine. Lorraine is plagued by whispers that she has grown too weak to continue her spiritual fight. Father Gabriel becomes possessed during a mass, nearly killing several townspeople before being subdued. Claire's investigation uncovers chilling tapes of Father Desrosiers confessing that he hid the black crucifix in the church crypt, realizing it was too dangerous to destroy. In a chilling sequence, the group ventures into the church crypt to retrieve the crucifix, enduring horrific visions and narrowly escaping Asmodeus's shadowy minions. They find the crucifix buried with Father Desrosiers' body, which reanimates briefly to warn them that finishing the rites will demand a great sacrifice. Act 4, The Final Confrontation. The Warrens prepare to perform the last rites of the damned in the church, knowing it will summon Asmodeus in his full form. The ritual requires faith, focus, and unwavering resolve. Father Gabriel regains his strength and joins them in the ceremony, while Claire and Sophie barricade the church against the increasingly aggressive townspeople, many of whom are now possessed. The ritual reaches its peak as Asmodeus manifests, taking the form of a towering, horned figure cloaked in darkness. He taunts the Warrens, preying on their vulnerabilities. He shows Lorraine a vision of Ed dying if they complete the ritual. He offers Ed the chance to live peacefully with Lorraine if they abandon the fight. Despite the demon's efforts, the Warrens press on, strengthened by their love and faith. Asmodeus lashes out, injuring Ed severely. Lorraine, channeling her psychic abilities, confronts the demon directly, using the black crucifix to weaken him. In a heart-wrenching moment, Father Gabriel sacrifices himself, reciting the final incantation as Asmodeus shrieks in agony. The demon is banished, and the church collapses in a fiery explosion.